Tara guys, let's unbox the all-new Infinix GT50 Pro na cooling edition. This is collaborated between Infinix and MPL. And good news guys, tinanong ko kay Infinix kung ito ay limited edition. This would be the package that you'll be getting for good. So, to stay yan. Hindi lang siya limited edition. Ganda ng pagka-packaging. Yan, liquid flow, hyper performance. So, let's see. There's two box over here. Meron tayong GT Mag Charge Cooler 2.0 and meron din tayo yung package natin mismo. So simulan muna natin with the Mag Charge Cooler. Buksan natin. We have the user guide. Meron tayong C2C cable. And we got your Mag Charge na cooler. So this is magnet base dito sa likod. Iilaw yan once na kinabit natin. Now for the phone itself. So here are some of the specs na kailangan mo malaman. Sa natin. Meron siyang maliit na box. Meron tayong panundot. Licensed by Qualcomm. Warranty card. And yung ating user guide. Siyempre, nandyan yung kanyang case na kailangan mo talagang gamitin to para kumabit ang ating Mag Charge Cooler. Yan. Di basta-basta mahulog yan. Maganda yung kapit nito. So here's the phone itself. Ganda ng kanyang packaging this time. We got our A to C cable. And we got our 45 watts na fast charging brick. So, buksan muna natin the phone. We have here is color black. Meron din siyang color red. Yung black, mas shiny yung kanyang likod. Yung red, matte finish. So, ganito yung itsura ng kanyang camera. I kind of like itong black and green combo. Looks mas maangas kaysa ng red and red combo. Personal choice lang. We have your GT triggers over here. Andiyan ang ating SIM tray, USB-C port, and of course, yung ating loudspeaker. May pa-IR pa siya, guys. Oh. Infinix. So yan, ito ang itsura pag boot up natin. So syempre guys, abangan ninyo ang full review natin sa aking YouTube channel and I'll see you there.